All right, all right, all right. Here we go again. A little bit of a sell-off, and what happened was the Feds came out with their minutes, and they actually just said they're not going to do their rollover. So as bonds mature, um, they as bonds mature, they're not going to put them back on. So in addition to slowing down their purchase, that is a little more aggressive than people anticipated. So it's banging the shit out of the techs and the hopeful kind of situations like AMC and things like that. But I'm not too worried. It's pretty aggressive, this sell-off right here. But it's a good strong bar down. I'm looking for 696. I thought we would have bounced off of that. We're kind of close. I would have liked to have seen a return into the close. So I'm going to have to assume that we're going to get another sell-off into tomorrow. And it's all happening pretty quickly. That's pretty aggressive. I mean, really, that's like 2 days worth of selling. I'd rather have seen 40 and 40 and ease on down. This aggressiveness is crazy. And I think really what's going on is a knee-jerk reaction by smaller investors. Then algorithms kick in and just carry on the volume and the momentum. And I didn't see any buying going into the close though. So you gotta figure that we're selling off some more tomorrow, and hopefully a little tag down, maybe that 654 is not a bad number. Another 50 points down tomorrow, and then a bounce back. I mean, that's a pretty aggressive sell-off we got today. Percentage-wise, we're almost 2% on the Dow. We don't want to do that too often. Composite really got hammered. So that's what we're looking at. No. I was up a whole bunch on XOM today, and then after the Fed announcement, everything, even energy got tagged. So what was that high? That high was 67, and usually my target on that thing is 70. And I mean, look, how long ago was it? We were buying it at $60. Man, it's quick, 6%, 10%. I'm sorry, it's really not bad at all. The VIX popped up pretty aggressive. 3 points on the VIX kind of shows you that people are looking for a little insurance, a little protection. But that's okay. That's okay. Everything got nailed. But if you ask me, it's giving you an opportunity to buy stuff cheap. There's no meltdown in the economy. There's actually nothing here that's saying there's a meltdown in the economy. It's the tech stocks that are going to take the beating. So I'm buying, baby. I'm buying. TBT, doing what we said. 10-year popped up. And it's divergent. So I don't know. I think this sell-off is a little too aggressive. I don't know if my bias wants to be. I was looking for this, and I got in on a lot of good things today. But this is pretty aggressive sell-off. And then I did a little bit of trading on when it got aggressive on the 30-year, and you can see a bunch of entries right there. Doing a 30-second chart. Hopped in right here, traded it down, did a last kiss. I bought some more. I actually I took some off right around here, I think. I don't think I had a chance to squeeze my stop here. Took a little bit off. It traded back to my break even. I added some on because it looked like it was doing a last kiss. It had all this momentum, and then rode that baby down to the close. So that's a pretty good trade right there. And you can see it consolidated for quite some time. So once it tried to do a return, you could see the momentum moving up. It tried to break to the upside. Looks like it wasn't going to happen. Once it broke that low, boom, I was in. Not bad, 17 points. Picked up like $800 a contract on some options, on some puts. So anyway, I hope everybody got in on some stuff, made some money, and had a good time, traded within their means. And hey, do me a favor, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and throw me a few comments. Let me know what you think. Appreciate all you stopping in, and good luck trading.